Hi, so in this video we are going to talk about plants. There are infinite, never-ending species of plants on Earth, but we're just going to talk about a few general words and some bigger categories. So let's get started. Plants. The first plant is a cactus. 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 Now, where do cacti grow? Because it's one cactus, two cacti. So where do cacti grow? Usually the desert, so places with little rain, because they're okay with a little rain. Next plant, fern. Fern. This is a fern. Now, ferns have a very distinct shape. It's almost like there's one big leaf that's made of many smaller leaves. Ferns usually grow where there is more water, so more rain. You'll see ferns in rainforests and other places. This is a fern. Fern. Next, we have a flower. Flower. So this flower here is a rose. A rose is a type of flower. And then over here we have purple flowers and yellow flowers. There are many types of flowers. Next plant, we have grass. Grass. Now grass can be green like we have in our lawns and in parks. But grass can also be wheat, so things we use to make bread, pasta. There are some grasses that we can eat and others that we cannot. In general, animals eat all types of grass, but humans can only eat the kind meant for food, not the green stuff like lawns. Grass. Next we have moss. Moss. Moss grows in wet environments, so places where there is rain and water. Moss grows in a blanket, and it usually grows on rocks or trees, dead trees. It grows on surfaces, and it spreads out like a blanket. Moss can be very soft, and yeah, I enjoy moss. Moss. Next we have palm. Palm. This is a palm tree, but you can just say palm. Palm tree. Palm trees are very tall and skinny, and they have these very special looking leaves at the top. Palm trees usually grow in tropical, warm climates. These are palm trees. Next we have bushes, so a bush or a shrub. Bush and shrub are about the same. I usually say bush. A bush is different than a tree. A bush is not as tall as a tree, and there is no trunk. So a bush just has branches in all directions. It does not really grow up, it grows out. So that's a good. So trees grow upwards, whereas bushes just grow outwards. There are a few types of food that grow on bushes. Right here on the right, this is a blueberry bush. A blueberry bush. A blueberry is a type of fruit that we eat. Blueberries grow on bushes. Bush. Next, we have a tree. A tree. So there are many types of trees. We already talked about a palm tree. That is a tree. The trees that we have here in Pennsylvania, those are deciduous trees. So the kind that have leaves that change colors and fall. Pine trees are also trees. Those are the trees with needles, not normal leaves. There are many, many types of trees. Some trees have flowers, other trees do not have flowers. There's a lot of variety. Next, we have vine. Vine. So vines just kind of grow in a line, and usually vines need something to grow on. So these are my headphones, but let's pretend for a minute that this is a vine. So a vine will wrap around things and grow kind of mixed in. So this could be my hand, could be a fence, it could be a tree, but the way a vine works is it kind of just loops around. It loops and grows like that. So we have a vine growing on a fence in the picture on the left, but then on the right we have grapevines. Grapes grow on vines. Grapevines. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and think, what plants are around me? What plants grow where I live? Thank you, and have a nice day.